Welcome back, guys. So the yesterday's video was about the new features which got added, such as an AI assistant where you can actually type your code and implement it and you will get your desired output. And then there's a function of save PC. So if you click on it, this file would be saved on your computer, and if you click on open, then you can open your saved file. Suppose I open this, then this file will be open here, and then if I click on new, the new file, you can say create a new file. Now let's come back to our examples. So the first example we are going to do now is the countdown example. This is a very simple example where the numbers are getting decremented one by one, and it's like a countdown. So we will name it as countdown example. Now let's start. So our countdown will start from 10. Let's define the variable named as timer. Timer मध्ये स्थापय means it will store the value over there, and we will print it as countdown from 10 to 1, and we will execute the while loop here. While means Yavata. So if the timer is greater than 0, then print timer, and timer 1 न्यून आहे timer मध्ये. So the variable which we defined here, we are calling it over here, and the value will get printed one below the other in a decrement format. So means 10, 9, 8, 7. So it will go on descending order. We say it descending order, and then after the bracket we write whether time's up. So let's now print it. You can see that the countdown started at 10 and all the way it came up to 1, and then it's over. So you can see that in the Yavata we wrote timer is greater than 0. Here you can also write timer is greater than equal to 1. So it will also consider the value of 1 and not consider it as 0. You can still see that the output is same. Okay, so please try this example. And now let's come to a new example of the theme park. This is also a very basic example where if you are visiting a theme park and your child's age is less than 5, then the ticket is free for him. And if you have another child, if his age is 15 or 16, then he will pay 50 rupees. And then if you are an adult and you are visiting the theme park, then the ticket is 100 rupees for you. So let's now try this example. Theme park example. First we will write at the top theme park tickets. First we will take an input from the user to enter his age. Enter your age please. Then the user will enter his age, and we will store it in पृच्छ age मध्ये. And if the entered age is lesser than 8, lesser than or equal to 8, then print here you go child, please pay 10 rupees. So if a child's age is 8 or less than 8, then he will have to pay 10 rupees. And now let's come to the else statement. else. Now carefully look here. We are going to print a if statement inside a else statement. So carefully look at this piece of code. Yadi age is lesser than equal to 18, so we will print here Yavata, please pay 30 rupees, and at the last Tari Yavata. So if a person's age is more than 18 years, then the ticket would be for 50 rupees for him. Please pay 50 rupees. Okay, now let's test the code. If I enter my age 12, then the ticket is 30 rupees for me, and if I enter my age as 29, then I would have to pay 50 rupees, and if I enter my age as 6, then I would only pay 10 rupees. So we have done 2 examples till now, and let me show you another quick example, like the countdown example which we did now. There we printed the numbers in the descending order, and in this example the numbers are going to be printed in the ascending order. So it's the same which we did before, but only change is the printing order of the numbers. You can see that the numbers are printed from 1 2 3 4 5. So please also try this example. Look at this code before. It's easy, and we are going to try some examples more in the future. So see you there in the next video.